Here at the USS Iowa parking lot. Fleet Week ended yesterday on Monday, Memorial Day. And I'm here to see the departure of this Cobra with this beautiful Cobra paint job by Fly Girl Painter. I'm going to take a quick little walk around, last one, and then they're going to start up and then fly past the USS Iowa. One fast pass, one slow pass. See the guys over there with the Huey or Venom. These two aircraft are definitely a team, flying together always. Go back over here, make sure my tripod over here is not in the way of this guy sweeping. Looks like we're okay. Departing in about 20 minutes. Get a nice look at this paint job. I didn't see this. This is the name I was looking for that helped. Dave Nana. Oh, that's wonderful. I didn't see that yesterday. Props to Fly Girl Painter, Shane Meter, and Dave Nana. Talked to the crew chiefs, the pilots, and Gunfighters are super proud of this paint job, including the 369 here. I'll do this fairly quickly because these guys are getting ready to hop in. I do not want to be in their way. Just finish up the walkabout.